Yes guys, it's Henny here again and welcome to another video. How you lot doing? Hope you're alright, keeping safe in this coronavirus going on. Hope you lot staying home. Well, there's a little bit of a bad news. I am sick. And I don't think it's the coronavirus. So I just have like a stuffy nose and like my head and my ear is like itchy inside, so I can't really physically scratch it. So which is absolutely mental. But I set up an appointment today with my doctor online. I was supposed to change my aligners yesterday. I didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and change it now. And later on, we're going to find out what is wrong with me. Hopefully, it's nothing too serious. It's just one of those things. Take these ones off. Old ones. Let's say it has been 90 days in a few days. So I don't know if I should take the picture right now or take it later on whenever the doctor asks for it, when I get an email in my account. Whichever one, I guess I'm just going to wait till whenever I get notification. I don't want it to be I'm the only one saying this, yeah? On my phone, it's 108.866. On my computer, it's 108.766. Not to make it look like I'm crazy, this is something Oanda is trying to do. These bloody brokers, they try to steal your money. Because if you don't pay attention to them, they will steal your money. First off, they charge you slippages fees, which I don't care. It's all right. They charge you commissions. It's all right. But I'm not trading for my broker. I can't be trading and instead of making like, okay, expecting me to make a decent amount and I'm already paying my broker an extra $100. It's just stupid. So this is something that happened to me before, but I actually didn't get it because I couldn't, the calculation didn't make any sense, and I just told myself, oh no, my broker is right. But no, your broker is never right. They are always wrong, and they're always out there to pick your money from your bloody pocket. So this is USD JPY. I bought 100,000 units. So it's 108.806. This is the current price right now. I don't know if you can see that. 108.768. That should be like a decent profit. But this is what I have right here. 108. See what I've got right here. 108.792. This wasn't the case. It was even worse when I was at the shop. So I called Oanda. I talked to them. I talked to the lad. I was like, oh, this is what's going on. So they actually try to adjust it right now because I have the screen recording on my phone and the screenshots. So I'm going to put it right now in this video so you see what I'm talking about. People think, okay, when people rant about stuff like this, you're being lunatics or you want to just try to bring a broker down. No, these brokers actually just want your money. They want you to trade for them without paying you a salary or any commissions, which doesn't bloody make any sense. You're charging me slippage fees already. I'm paying for the spread. You shouldn't bloody take any more of my money. You're already taking money from me. So why should I be trading an extra $50 or $100 before I start taking my own profit? Makes no bloody sense. So you see the current price, it's at 10. See at that 108.809. That is just way off. That's about like first time I called, I was like, oh, what is the current price of this USD JPY? And he told me, I was like, what price did I enter? He told me the current price I entered. And I was like, okay, what is next? Why is the current price you have for the currency different from what is online, what you have on your platform? And he's like, oh, no. Actually, what is on the platform is the correct one. I was like, what? But you just told me a certain number. So you guys are intentionally trying to take people's money. So if you're experiencing any of this, please call Oanda. I'm going to tweet at them also. So the lad I spoke to told me I was going to get an email. I respond to the email and follow up with them. I keep you lot posted on that rubbish. Oanda is trying to take my money. This is my entry. That is the current price. Guess what? I'm on a negative. No sense. No bloody sense. And good morning, guys. It is another beautiful day. Good morning to you lot. Another day to quarantine. Please stay home. Oh, what a lovely weather we've got out there. Oh my days. It's so nice. It's just overcast. Overcast is arguably my favorite weather because it's not like hot, it's not wet, it's not cold. It's just like perfecto. So I did mention yesterday that I wasn't feeling too well. So the thing is, it's I got exposed to a lot of dust, so it's all clogged up in my nostril. But I called my doctor, and this coronavirus is very, very serious. So you lot should take it easy. Make sure that you're staying safe, keeping your distance from others, and you know the questions, because it's not like I was dying or anything, so there was no need for me to go to the hospital. So I called, and the questions the first asked me, my doctor asked me about you know, my respiratory problems, if I have trouble breathing, body aches, you know, just fatigue, and you know, stuff like that, just to make sure that it is not the virus, which thank God it's not. You know, I went to a construction site and there's just a lot of dust, and that's what I'm reacting to right now. So prescribed me some medicine which I could get over the counter. So I've been on that and it's been good. So speaking about my Smile Direct, I'm going to give you guys posted later on, which has been amazing. You know, the past couple of weeks has been really good. There's been a bit of pain, but it's been all right. I can't believe I'm 3 months in. Like, it's absolutely mental. 3 months. 3 bloody months. You know, I remember when I started it, it's the first one I put on here, I was crying. I was like, no, I can't take this thing anymore. And I was about to like throw it off and just like, you know, damn it, I'll just keep my teeth like this and just enjoy it. Like, I do not care. But it's 3 months. I can't believe next month I'm about to get onto the 4th month, and then we have 4 more months left. It's amazing. It's all a journey in life. I just feel like when you start something, you just have to keep going. You know, the thing is starting it. You know, you're gonna have your drawdowns. You're gonna have times where it's just painful, you want to give up, but you just gotta keep going. I think it's kind of it's basic stuff, but it applies to everything in life. So it's been quite an eventful couple of days. My broker trying to rob me. My thing is this: always call out things. Like these massive companies, like, they make so much money and they can get away with a lot of things. So if you see anything wrong, call them out. They're not the only brokers in the world. Like, there's so many others. You have to call them out. Anyways, I think I'm just going to end the vlog right here. My teeth, Smile Direct, 3 months in, and yeah, this is the month 3, week 3 and 4. This is their lineup, so I'm gonna have this one on for like a couple of days. But yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Not going out as much, and apart from that, with the dust I got exposed to a couple of days last week, that's why I have all of the mad congestion. But I've been drinking a lot of water, which is good. Drinking things that are warm, not cold water, no ice cream, nothing cold. Everything has to be quite hot and spicy. But yeah, call your brokers out. Any company who's trying to mess with you, call them out, no matter how massive. Tweet at them, you know, do something about it. If not, they're just gonna keep pouncing and taking your money. You know, think about it. It's just, you can say, man, it's just 10 or 20 bucks, but 10 or 20 dollars from 1,000 people. Calculate that money. What about 50,000 people? Calculate it. It's a lot of money. But anyways, that's it from me. Please subscribe if you're new, and of course, leave the video a like to support your boy. I'm going to try to put another one of these out. I'm quite enjoying it. This is the first one. So you guys should let me know in the comments what you think, what I can improve, and all that stuff, yeah? Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.